So here's what we got going on today. We're doing an egg experiment. So here we have our 2 eggs boiling at I'd say about 7. Okay. And here we have experiment 1. We have a Powerade bottle. As you can see, it's 32 fluid ounces. Then we have our funnel that we will put on top of here to pour the water down inside, just so I don't make a mess. And for experiment number 2, we have an empty bottle of antifreeze coolant. I know it's not clear, and I know you can't see through, but you'll be okay. See? Nice and empty. Okay? And that is a gallon. But obviously we're not going to use a whole gallon. So, we will wait patiently until the eggs are done. They've been boiling since about 11:15, so they should be done pretty soon. So, we'll put you on hold, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, our eggs are done. So, we got to wait on them to cool down a little bit, because they are hot. But, we have to leave the water boiling. We need it hot. So, we will just reduce the temperature to about 5. Like that. And while we wait on these, we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now I have the eggs sitting in cold water to let it cool down a little bit because it's very, very hot. Okay, so what we're going to do is when this water right here, this stuff here is when we're ready, we're going to take it over here, take that funnel, and put it on top of here. And that water will go inside of this. Okay? We'll sit there for a second, let it heat up, and then we'll take the water that's in there, we'll pour it back in there, and then we'll get ready with our first egg test. And then we'll do the same with the coolant. But when we're done with the coolant, it'll just go straight in the sink. Alright, bear with us, please. Okay, so we have the first egg done and ready. Now, all we need is the water. So, bear with me, and I'm going to set this down so you guys can see. If I can find something, here we go. Okay. Okay, so here goes experiment 1. I got my mitt. I'm going to need this. It's going to get hot. This is off. Very hot. Okay, now we got that. Take that. Put our egg on top. Watch. See what happens. There it is. And there went the egg. Down inside. There's the shell. As you can see, there it is down in there. So you probably have to suck that sucker right on out of there. Which I'm not going to do. So bear with me. and we'll get the second one going on here. Okay, so I got the second egg. We're gonna pick it up here. We're gonna carry it over here and set it with experiment 2. Okay? Now we're gonna set this down and we're gonna put it in there just like we did the first one. Making sure you guys can see here. Just for a second. That's all you're going to need to see is just for a second. Okay. Got this going on. Okay. Now we'll get our water. Nice hot water. We will take our hot water. Go ahead. Pour it down in there. Add it to the side. Okay. This is nice and hot right here. Let's sit for a second. Pour it out. Okay. Set it down. Take our egg up. Let it sit there for a second. And we'll see what happens with our egg. I don't see much happening with this egg for some reason. Nope. I got something going on here. It was real sticky when I picked her up, so. Wait a second. Who knows? This one here may not pull the egg in. That's why you do 2 experiments. See, maybe if I touch it again. See, it's pretty sticky right there, see? We'll go on a short break, and we'll come back in a couple minutes. Okay, so what is happening right now is I put the water back on a boil to let it boil a little bit longer to maybe get it warm enough to where I can get experiment 2 right there to work right. Bear with me a couple more seconds. Thank you. Okay, so after a minute and a half, I think this water set on high is actually hot enough. Starting to get some nice boils to it again, so we'll put the lid back on. We'll bring this over here. Set it down to where you can see it. And if you can't see it, bear with me here. Put our egg over to the side. This here. Maybe instead of me putting it back, I'll just set it on this one. Like on a towel. We'll get 2 towels. Like that. I would have set it, you know what I'm saying? Well, no, because you got to burn it back either way. Think about it. Okay, here we come. Here we come with the hot stuff. Woo! Oh, it's hot now. Now it's warmer now. Now it'll pull it in. And maybe not, who knows? See? It's not doing a darn thing in this thing right now. So there you go. There's the experiment. Okay. So, experiment 1. See, Mr. 1 was a successful one. It pulled the egg right on in. Experiment 2, not so much lucky. There we go. This bottle did not work. Thank you for watching.